guys, today I'm going to show you how to do the Brazilian nuts hair extension step by step. I cannot wait for you to see the end result. And as a bonus, I'm going to show you how do you remove the Brazilian nuts hair extension. That's a question that everybody asks, so let's get started. Tell you everything that you need to the installation of Brazilian nuts. This is a metal plate that we use and we have on the website to sell. I can't even talk today, let me tell you that. Normally I don't do the hair extensions, my staff do it, but here I am, I normally teach it. I'm going to show you how is it that you measure it. You measure it this way, that way you have the perfect amount of thread. And once we show you the installation, you're going to know what is the purpose of doing this. So we cut it this way. And this is the perfect amount of thread that we need to tie up each strand. Okay, so you're gonna need this. You're gonna need thread. This is stretchy thread that we use. This is a different stretchy thread, but this one is more of a cotton. This is wrapped around in cotton. If your client is actually allergic to this elastic, they are able to use this. You're gonna need scissors and you're gonna need clips. And all of this is gonna make sense after you see me installing the Brazilian nuts. You're gonna need rubber band, and this is to separate the hair. And I love to use hairspray because I'm a perfectionist and I don't want hair to be crossing, and that also prevents the client from having any breakage. Okay, so we work very, very clean. And this is also to hold the hair so we can have a clean area. Then of course, you need a comb. So these are the only items that you're gonna need for the installation of the Brazilian nuts. Stay tuned. And this is how you remove the Brazilian nuts hair extensions. We cut the knot and remove the hair extension. It's that easy. This client of ours, she's been doing Brazilian nuts for 2 years and she's pretty happy with it. There is no damage to her hair. And within 15 minutes, we literally remove all of her Brazilian nuts. And now we're just gonna open them and then we're gonna just comb through it. We're gonna take the excess of hair. You comb very carefully, and that hair is basically the build-up. She lasts 3 months with her hair. Look how easy it is to comb that through. We remove the excess of hair and there is no breakage. So here you're gonna see the before and after. We're gonna do hair color on her prior to, normally she does that. We also can do the hair color with the Brazilian nuts in. So right now we are doing the hair color, and as you can see her hair before and you're gonna see the hair after the hair is installed. So here we are proceeding to blow dry the hair prior to installation. This doesn't need to be done, but we do it when the client requests it. So if you don't want to blow dry your hair, we don't have to blow dry it. So we are going to proceed to part her hair before we do the installation. This is a little trick that I like because I don't like having to pick up the scissors from the table. So I just use this thread and hang the scissors around my neck. And now we are going, she is not getting a full install. She's getting a partial install. She basically just looked for fullness, not so much for length. It's more of a fullness install. So I'm going to use the rubber band to separate her hair. And I'm also gonna use hairspray just to make sure that I don't have any flyaways. She don't like her nuts too in the front, so we part closer to the back behind her ears. And I'm going to proceed to do the same thing on the other side. Hairspray to keep the flyaway. So she will basically get 4 rows of Brazilian nuts, and that's enough for the type of install that she actually requires. And we are actually reusing the same hair from the last install. We are going to do another part about 1/4 inch so we can install the Brazilian nuts. Again, we are using hairspray to make sure that we keep the flyaways. here, let me show you how we part her hair and how we are going to do the installation. We are using the same hair extensions she had, so we previously removed that. So we washed the hair extension and dried it. So we are getting ready to install. We are going to use a piece of thread. We're going to double it. We are going to put it between our fingers. We're going to wrap it around. Wrap it around. I normally do about 8 times. And then we're going to tie the knot. And normally I do that 3 times. We proceed to cut. This doesn't hurt. It doesn't have any tension to her hair because it depends who install it and how it's installed. A lot of people believe that it's painful, and I have had them in where they were installed and I had to take Tylenol. It was that painful, but that's from people that do not know how to do the install. I'm gonna get another piece and show you how I do it. I'm gonna use a piece of thread. I'm gonna put it between my fingers. I'm gonna hold it there. I'm gonna wrap it around. I'm gonna bring it in with my pinky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 rounds. And you're gonna tie it 3 times. We're gonna cut the thread. And we're going to cut the excess of hair. So the client normally will lose about ½ inch every time they get their hair installed. As you can see, there is no tension. It's not tight, no tension at all. And when we want to remove, the only thing that we do, we cut that thread, that knot, and the thread unravels. It's as simple as that. There is no damage to these hair extensions, no damage to the hair, there is no tension. We can control the amount of hair that we put on each strand. You can wash your hair, your scalp is out. There's so many benefits to this. I have knots that can be this thick, or I have knots that can be this thin or this thin, right? It depends on the client hair density. And that's very important so you don't weigh down the client's hair. Going to secure that top end. I'm going to grab my thread, right? I'm going to double the thread. I'm going to put it between my fingers. I'm going to wrap it around. I'm going to wrap it around about 8 times. And every 3 months, you come and get them redone. I'm going to cut the thread right below that knot that I just made. And now I am going to cut the excess hair on the top. So this is much better than the K-tip because the K-tip actually uses glue. The only thing we are using, and then you have to force it and break the hair. And also, the micro links are too heavy and you cannot control the amount of hair that you put on each strand. This is why this is so healthy for your hair. I myself was wearing these hair extensions for 6 years until I decided that I wanted to get a bob just a few months ago. And my hair, it's pretty healthy. I'm going to grab the other piece and I'm going to make that knot, right? And I do that 3 times. That's enough to secure it. You have all of these crazy people that do 20 knots and do 20 rounds of wrapping around. That's insane to me. If you have any questions, you're welcome to leave them below. I'm happy to answer them. If you want to learn this technique, I also teach it. So I'll leave you the link so you can sign up for the class. Or if you want to get this installed yourself, I'm also going to leave you the link so you can book your appointment. But I can tell you this is a luxury service. This is not a cheap service, okay? So you're gonna pay for this. And it looks like it's tedious, but it's not tedious at all, because if I can do it, I'm sure you can do it. I have no patience to be behind the chair. This is the only service that I actually have provided behind the chair. I've owned the salon for almost 10 years, and I never provided any other service other than this, because I wanted to train my staff, and I actually love it. So if I can do it, you can do it. This service costs, on average, if the client is buying hair, average of $900 to, I have clients paying $1,400 for the whole service, full install and 2 to 3 packs of hair. And it takes 3 to 4 hours to install. So you can see, they nice and neat. She can pull her hair out. You won't be able to see them. Hair up, half down. You have to make sure that you always work clean, so you don't have a whole bunch of hair in between. If you have a lot of flyaways, make sure you use spray, so you can work very clean. Guys, and if I show you, believe it or not, she has the Brazilian knots extensions in, right? If I go in and I show you this, she has the Brazilian knots hair extensions, believe it or not. Look how natural that looks. So here we did the entire row, and we are cutting afterwards because it's just easier. It's faster. As you can see, there is no tension to the hair. I'm gonna show you how she can do a ponytail and it covers the knot. And this we're gonna use to cover the rest of the knots. So right now we have 3 rows, and we're gonna do 1 more because she only wanted for fullness. But as you can see, you see how small and how neat they are, and how they have so much movement everywhere. And if we need to remove it, the only thing we're gonna do, we're gonna cut that knot and the thread unravels. That's it. And this lasts 3 to 4 months depending on the client's hair. This client only can last 3 months because her hair is fine, so we don't want them to grow really long. Normally they just grow down, and we remove them and reinstall them. So here, after the installation, we are actually blow drying the hair with no problem at all. She was only looking for fullness, and we gave her 4 rows of curly hair, so she's able to wear her hair straight. She wear her hair curly most of the time, but when she comes to the salon, she likes to straighten it. So here we are styling the hair. As you can see, we do the blow dry, we do the flat iron. Here we are giving her some curls. I just literally finished showing you step by step on how to install the Brazilian knots and all the products that we use, all the items that we use. Let me know why you're here. How do you stumble into this video? Are you looking to get Brazilian knots hair extension installed? Are you having a problem? Are you looking for something more luxurious, more natural, with less damage? And then you're at the right place. I'm not talking from being an installer or a person that provides the services. I'm talking to you from my own experience and how I had to do Brazilian knots hair extensions in my hair after trying all type of hair extension method. And if you go into my next video, you will see the little story that I share, how I stumbled into Brazilian knots hair extensions. Do you want to learn this technique? If this is something that you're looking for yourself as an alternative, just let me know, because I will leave link below that you can do either. You can get them installed. We are located in Maryland. A lot of people travel to us to get the hair extension installed because they last 3 to 4 months, depending on your hair. The average cost is between $600 to $950, and that's not including the hair. So for my girls that are looking to learn this technique, this is a high ticket item that you can learn and provide in your hair salon and actually increase your revenue. So this is a win-win-win for everybody, for somebody that has thin hair, or somebody that's looking for length, somebody that's looking for luxury, a lot more volume. Maybe if you have long hair and you want more volume, this is for you too. And the texture don't matter. You can have fine hair, you can have blonde hair, you can have curly hair, you can have kinky hair, it doesn't matter. This is good for every client. So what is it that you're looking for? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you like, and make sure that you share. And tell me if you want anything else for me to record, and I'll be happy to do so. Anyways, thank you for watching.